Top of the hour, let's begin with the updates coming in the ongoing power play being witnessed in the state of Karnataka. Right after the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge said that the party high command will decide on Karnataka leadership issue, sources suggest that the power politics will now shift from the state of Karnataka to the national capital. Now it is being learned that the party is waiting for the return of Rahul Gandhi, who is said to be currently abroad. And once he returns to Delhi, sources say that both the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivkumar will be called to Delhi to discuss the Karnataka crisis. Let's get in a word from Neha, who's joining us live right now. Neha, good morning. Lots of churning, lots of confusion seems to be witnessed as far as the camps that now broadly are defined by Siddaramaiah camp versus the D.K. Shivkumar camp. What is happening within the Karnataka Congress and how is the power play going to play out in Delhi?
Well, Amita, a very good morning to you and to our viewers as well. What we're picking up, of course, at this point in time is that, given that, now, of course, Rahul Gandhi too is likely expected to step in here. We've seen the kind of word now that's come in fact, from Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala yesterday as well. Though he's denied any change of leadership, though Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, also has said that, he's not interested in any change of leadership here. The fact is that, we're being told at this point that both of them are likely to be summoned to Delhi, where, of course, more talks are going to be held. As far as the MLAs now are concerned, after, the meetings with them, we're being told that the MPs, in fact, and all of the other candidates, the MLCs as well, are going to be met. While, of course, Randeep Singh Surjewala continues to remain in Bengaluru for the next couple of days, meeting all of the leadership of the Congress party in Karnataka. What really happens in Delhi, of course, is a matter of time for us to find out.
All right. Remains to be seen exactly what happens if the power play now shifts from Karnataka to the national capital. Neha, thank you very much for the update, because this is now coming at a time, viewers, that the Congress party has been asserting that all is well, everything is fine, and there is no discussion on the leadership change possible in the state. Now, when asked about these speculations regarding the CM change, even D.K. Shivkumar said that there is no leadership change that was said to be on cards. Interestingly, now, while speaking to Times Now, D.K. Shivkumar said that a message had come from Rahul Gandhi that this year has to be devoted to the building of the organization. He takes the name of Rahul Gandhi first and then the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. Listen in as
Belgaum. That is the resolution passed in the working committee, which I was a part of that. Yes. So in the process, all of them are changing the district presidents. The DCC presidents will be given more strength.
Now there is another debate is now being pointing out to the possible churnings that seems to be taking place within the Congress.
And Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, that this is a year of ordination in Belgaum. That is the resolution passed in the working committee, which I was a part of that. Yes. So in the process, all of them are changing the district presidents. The DCC presidents will be given more strength.
Now there is another development. The AICC General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, who is Randeep Surjewala, who's also been meeting the MLAs and other party leaders in the state, has also held this exercise, does not involve any discussion on the change of leadership. Listen in to his version.
As your question, I think I answered it right in the beginning. I framed it. This is an organizational exercise that is going on. You asked me whether this is a exercise for any change in leadership. The answer remains no.
Meanwhile, the clarification from the party came after Congress MLA Iqbal Hussain openly batted for D.K. Shivkumar to become the chief minister. Even after D.K. Shivkumar warned him of saying that he doesn't want any MLA to pitch for his name as the chief minister. Iqbal Hussain, however, continues to remain defiant and claim that he will stick to his stand. He has now been issued a show cause notice by the party seeking an explanation. Now, with what has been happening just before the notice that he was issued, because Iqbal Hussain has been claiming that not just him, there are hundreds of MLAs who have been supporting his stand to make D.K. Shivkumar the next Karnataka chief minister.
ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ MLAಗಳು, ಸುಮಾರು 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು MLAಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಕು, ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
There is no change of leadership, no discussion here. Any discussion is there only to build the party. Any MLA is giving statement. My chief minister also has said me, you don't worry, you issue showcase notice to all of them who are talking. I am going to issue showcase notice to them.
Let them suspend me.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
Sir, the Deputy CM says that he does not want any support from any of the MLAs. Sir.
That is his opinion. That is his opinion. If they want me to suspend, let them suspend. If they want me to give me notice, let them give the notice.
So is this power tussle finally settled or not? Or is it just the beginning? Or is the party actually waiting for the quote-unquote high command to resolve the crisis? Let's now remind you of what the Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge said 2 days ago, when himself being the Congress Party President says that the party high command will decide.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions.
Now, there is obviously politics over Mallikarjun Kharge's statement that even continues till now while the